a look since 5:20 this afternoon as the sun, orange glow setting in the western sky. We notice the clouds building out there, and, well, we are expecting to see those continue to primarily stay out to the west. 24 right now in Fargo. We do have a 17-degree wind chill at this hour thanks to 6-mile-per-hour winds. They're from the west-southwest. North winds have brought in a pretty dry air mass as well. Relative humidities and dew points low when we see them in the single digits. That usually means we can cool off rather rapidly when we get clear skies and calm winds. 24 Grand Forks. Here's a look around the region. Mid-20s Valley City, 22 in Devil's Lake. A cool 18, though, right now in Langdon. It has been cool the last several days in portions of northwest Minnesota, dealing with more snowfall or snowpack on the ground there. 21 Detroit Lakes, 19 in Wadena. Here is a peek at that satellite, or radar rather, and we are seeing a few blips on the radar screen making their way into the eastern third of North Dakota and South Dakota as we head into the evening, but nothing near the storm system moving through the Great Lakes. Heavy snow on the north end of that and the cold front that trails on behind it, bringing severe weather to the southeast United States tonight. Here is a look at your hour-by-hour forecast this evening. If you're heading out, look at temperatures plummet in northwest Minnesota. Calming winds, clear skies. You'll cool off quickly. Those clouds slowing our rate of cooling here in the Southern Valley. Speaking of southern, look at that wind direction from the south now as opposed to that cold northerly wind we've had. And that south wind will actually boost temperatures overnight along with the cloud cover passing through. Anywhere you see these clouds, it is possible to see a flurry of snow during the overnight or early in your day tomorrow. But generally, we'll have temperatures from those lower single digits to around 15 degrees in the Fargo-Moorhead area. As we go through the day, the clouds build and thicken. We could see a little bit of light snow here and there. I'll call it hit and miss. Nobody really expecting to see anything significant in the early half of the day. But watch what happens in the afternoon. Temperatures are rising. We'll see some 30s in southeast North Dakota. But look at what's going on out to the far west. Some snow on the radar there. While all of our northwestern counties in northwest Minnesota, rather, will see at least a few peaks at sun. Here we go. As we head into the evening hours, there will be a chance of snow from the Devil's Lake Basin down through Jamestown and southeast North Dakota. We could even see a few drive time flakes in the Fargo-Moorhead area as we go through the evening. There will be some light accumulations down in these areas, so please watch for slippery roads. Fargo's planner. Temperatures climb out of the teens through the 20s on our way to the mid-30s with a southerly breeze. For our day, the best chance of flaky weather comes in the evening here in Fargo and points south. Temperatures will be from around 35 to 40 in southeast North Dakota. Lakes country enjoying afternoon temperatures in the 20s, lower 20s and upper teens where there's still significant snowmobile weather on the ground there. 21 in Langdon. And 33 tomorrow afternoon on your way home from work in Grand Forks. What a beautiful sky shot here of the Moorhead area. Thanks, Hillary, for sharing that. Definitely deep blue skies out there as we enjoy the first day of meteorological spring. Well, as we get into our day on Thursday, it looks like partly cloudy skies and 32 degrees. Take a gander at this, though. Friday, we warm up. There is a hiccup, though. We'll have a wintry mix moving through the Southern Valley. And north of Fargo, a chance for accumulating snow in northwest Minnesota. Some areas could pick up a few inches out there. But then the spring-like weather returns to the Southern Valley, 40s and, yes, 50s, and dare I say near 60 for some on Tuesday. And you see that flashing thing over the sun there? That is a thunder shower. So we have a chance for rain, sleet, snow, thunder, lightning, 30s, and 60s.
Wow, that pretty much covers it.
I think I'm safe now. I could just say ranging from 20 to 60.
There you go.
You're showing off now.
Yeah.
Thanks. Coming up in sports, we check in on how the Dragons are doing in their conference championship game.
Up next, how a local sports team is paying tribute to fallen police officer Jason Mosier.